Hello everyone, I am Mrs. K. Today we will be making normal slime. This is Mr. T. For today's slime you will need glue.
This is the slime we're making.
Contact solution, lotion, shaving cream, baking soda, Play-Doh or markers, any type of coloring if you want color, otherwise you can just make white slime.
Okay, I won't play it anymore.
Okay, so first up, I'm going to add a little bit of glue. You can mix. I'm just moving it. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. If I can get it out. Okay. That's enough. You can add a little bit of shaving cream. I'll add some contact solution.
And we need
Not too much, not too much. That's enough. Nope. And then a little bit of lotion. That was probably actually too much. You can mix. I'll tell you what we need. We might actually need more glue for once.
Why?
And here's the slime after you add everything. Now, if you add as much shaving cream as Mr. T did, it actually makes it better. This was fluffy slime. We can make some really regular slime, but that's kind of boring and it doesn't last very long. Like, I went back upstairs like a while ago. I made this slime like a couple months ago and went upstairs to try and play with it, and it was all glue again. So my friend was here and we like spent a whole day there trying to make it back into slime because we didn't realize that it was just glue. We thought it was just like sticky slime, so we kept adding contact solution and more contact solution. What finally got it to work was the amazing shaving cream. So that basic slime does not work very well, but this is fluffy slime, and fluffy slime lasts a while, and you can add color to it. Like, ew. This is very butter slime. Okay, this is very nice slime. And Mr. T is a real scientist. He adds lots of shaving cream, lots of everything, and then basically destroys his slime.
And then I don't know. Hold on. I don't know your name anymore. I want to say
Miss K.
Oh. I'm Miss K. This is the slime spoken today.
I'll see if I can fix that later. He broke slime earlier today.
Yeah. Here's my slime right here.
You can, and then you just play with it, and then sometimes to get any color in it, you need to add lots and lots of markers. So.
And you have to put shaving cream in it if you want to. If you want to make.
You can put shaving.